How do you feel? Look at what you just did. Devin, you just mowed. You did that all by yourself. How do you feel? Look at me, look at the camera. Tell them how you feel of all your hard work.
Awesome.
Yeah? Are you, well, you're too close to me now. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
You should be. Who else is proud of you?
You, Daddy, and Bella.
You got it. You did good. Nice.
Yeah, thanks.
Let me film. Let me film the yard.
Right when
Look
I
at the yard.
I was gonna go to church, but when I got back, floody. But when I got back from church,
He mowed the whole yard all by himself.